guys, I'm experiment again. And today I will taking for the second LeCow video for the orders, for customer orders. And you can see in my table here are so many packets here because the order is very fun. It's very funny because the customer she thinks the first time to try LeCow and very interesting in LeCow, so she just take all the option of the packet I have and she made all the packet. So there are many packets I have. So you can see here I already sewing on a super packet here. It's a envelope file and the back is a 3 card slot, and it will be putting it on the back. Yes, and also you can see here we still have a wing pocket and still have a V pocket here, and another one is a brown pocket chocolate, and also want to have a spine, 1.5-inch spine with puzzle. So she made a really big order, you know. But I think it's fun. I just like to play all the ideas that the customers give me, and I would like to try to complete all the design they want and make the satisfied to all the customers. They like the car, they like me, okay. And she chose the vintage leather. It's very soft. Yes, it's very soft. Because I want to make video just that you guys, if you are first time to see the car and never have the car in your hand, I want to make videos just want to show you guys more clearly. And I also will measure the leathers to show you guys how thick the leather I have, because I usually use the thick leather. So you can see here is 0, and I will measure it. And okay, that you can see it stopped at 332. Yes. So the leather is very thick, but although it's very thick, but it's also very pliable and very fluffy. You can see very clearly. And what is the difference between the vintage and my old boots? Oh, sorry, I just don't have the old boots here. And that's okay, I can explain to you guys. The vintage is the color is very similar to old boots, but a different way is just the vintage, as you can see, very shiny. It's a little shine. Yes, it's bright. But old boots is without bright. That's the difference. But most of the old boots, they have the more payable. Yeah, they are payable more. So I'm so happy to show you guys the second video, and in the future I will take more and more videos to show you guys how I made all the notebook and the details and the layers. But I won't show you the process how I make it because many secrets in the process. Okay, so just when I'll start to make it, and see you guys later. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello guys, I'm back, and I just spent about 4 to 5 hours to complete this notebook, and because it make a lot packet. I told you guys she made the order with all the packet that I have. So I'm confusing how to make them all, but now the problem is solved, and I'm so excited to show you guys this notebook. And also I'm thinking about to name this notebook, and the owner, the customer, her name is Sandra. So I think I will just call this notebook with all the functions, and I will call this notebook is Sandra. Okay, now show you guys. You can see he choose the B6 white. He choose the B6 white vintage. So this is a B6 white vintage. And then she also chose the chocolate brown pocket with a coconut button here, and also with a puzzle spine, 1.5 inch puzzle spine. Yeah, it's not so hard about our outside looking. About the outside, it's not so hard, but inside, I will show you guys. You can see now here is a wing pocket and a 3 card slot. But when we open it, here's the envelope, and here is a V pocket. So this is so crazy, so many rooms, so many card slots. But if you guys really holding many cards in your pocket, I think this Sandra will satisfy all your needs. Yes, just like you can see here, because she told me she want to put the wing pocket, and because I show you guys the wing pocket, the big wing pocket, we can put the mobile phone. We can put the mobile phone into here. Yes, this one is a 6S iPhone. It's smaller, but if you put the now the XR or X10, it still can work. Yeah, you can put inside here, and you can put some small lip tips here, and you just using the car every day, you can put here. And the most important card you can put inside. Here are how many cards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cards slots. And plus this one, 11. There are totally 11 card slots here. And also in here, we can put your cash here. Yeah, here is also a big room here. And envelope, you can see here is the first room here, and the second room here, and the third room here. So here has 3 rooms here, all big rooms here, and the 3 card slots in the back. Yes, and you choose this one page holder. It's really good combination with the notebooks, and just like I want to say again, all the notebook I want to is very flat to let you guys comfortable to writing. So also now every notebook from LeCow will do this small metal to hold your notebook. All flat, no nuts. Only a small nut in the side here is for the tab. Yes, for a tab. So it's really good notebook and very thick. I can measure only the pocket how thick it is. Oh my God, you can see it goes to the 13 millimeter. Yeah, very thick, you can see. With it's just like a Big Mac, like a hamburger. It's really thick. And I do a lot sewing, the edge polish. So my edge will just like this. It's a little bright, and even it's grew about many pieces of the letters, but I just polish it just like one piece, and it's very hard. It's very hard to harness it. Okay, so show you guys again. The V pocket in the front and the envelope in the back, and cover it. The wind pocket in the front and the card start in the back. Because when we open it, when you open the notebook, the first thing I think you will take out your mobile phone. So I put the wind pocket in the front. And the credit card is the most important card, so I hide it in the inside, and your cash can put it here. Yes. And maybe you have a more not so important card, you can put in the back. And also, if you have a regular card and a debit card you use every day, so you can put here. Yes, you can just put here. So when you open it, you just can get this card to pay, right? It's very convenient. Okay. So now I take all the cards out. So many cards. Yeah. Like this. Hope you guys will like it. And its name Sandra. Okay, it will put in my option soon. Okay, and thanks Sandra, you make so many crazy pockets for me, and I just thinking about it and sitting in my desk, in front of my desk, and thinking how to make it. And one time just never stop to thinking about make it. But now I finally make it and did it. Thank you guys. See you soon. Bye.